Welcome to our YouTube Whiteboard explainer on ISO 45001:2018, the international standard for occupational health and safety management systems. In the next few minutes, we'll break down everything you need to know about ISO 45001, from its definition to its benefits. So, let's dive right in. ISO 45001:2018 is all about safety. It's a set of guidelines that help organizations like yours create and maintain a safe and healthy workplace. Think of it as the blueprint for a secure environment, ensuring everyone goes home unharmed. One key concept is the process approach. Instead of just focusing on individual tasks, ISO 45001 encourages organizations to see their operations as interconnected processes. Imagine it like gears in a machine, working together smoothly to ensure a common goal: a safe and healthy work environment. ISO 45001 is structured on 6 principles. Let's quickly explore each one. Management commitment. Strong leaders steer the safety journey, ensuring a secure workplace. Employee involvement. Involve employees for a safe and healthy work environment. Hazard identification and risk regulatory. Identify and regulate risks for a hazard-free workplace. Legal and regulatory compliance. Adhere to laws and regulations for a safe work environment. Emergency planning. Plan for emergencies to safeguard employees and the workplace. Continuous improvement. Foster a culture of constant improvement in safety practices. Now, let's take a closer look at the sections included in the ISO 45001 framework, beginning with the open sections. Introduction. An overview of the standard's purpose and intent. Scope. Defines which parts of your organization are covered by ISO 45001. Normative references. Lists any external documents that should be considered alongside ISO 45001. Terms and definitions. A glossary to ensure everyone is speaking the same safety language. Now, let's dive into the main sections. Context of the organization. It's like setting the stage, understanding your business, your industry, and the specific health and safety aspects. Leadership. The big bosses set the vision and direction for a safe workplace. Planning. This is where you create a roadmap to achieve your health and safety goals. Support. Resources and support systems are like the pillars holding up your safety structure. Moving on, the subsequent main sections are: operation. This is where safety practices are put into action. Your team works in a secure environment. Performance evaluation. Regular checkups to see how you're doing and if there's room for improvement in safety. Improvement. The icing on the cake. Taking what you've learned and making your workplace safer. Imagine a construction company implementing ISO 45001. They'd focus on strong leadership, involving workers in safety decisions, and regularly assessing risks. By communicating and collaborating with employees, they're practicing a consultative and participatory approach. Their contextual understanding ensures that safety measures are tailored to the unique challenges of each project. And by continually improving, they create a workplace that prioritizes the well-being of every team member. So, why is ISO 45001 valuable? Here are some benefits. Enhanced safety. Promote a healthy and supportive workplace for all employees. Reduced incidents. Identify and address risks to prevent accidents and injuries. Legal compliance. Ensure compliance with health and safety regulations. Competitive advantage. Highlights safety commitment as a competitive edge. Continuous improvement. Foster a culture of ongoing enhancement in health and safety. ISO 45001:2018 may sound complex, but it's all about creating a safe and healthy workplace, maintaining high standards, and making your business better for everyone. It's a roadmap to a safer future that anyone can follow. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, and remember, safety matters.